The standard model of our cosmos assumes it ends with a whimper. The theory goes that the universe will expand indefinitely, its energy dissipating until everything settles into a cold, lifeless void. But the loop mega-universe framework proposes a different mechanic. This chart tracks cosmic entropy, a measure of the system's disorder. Instead of rising forever into an empty void, the entropy hits a hard mathematical limit. When the universe reaches this absolute ceiling, it triggers a cosmic reset. This reset does not wipe the slate clean. It operates through a process called conformal rescaling. The geometry of space scales out infinitely, bridging the end of an exhausted cosmic aeon to the beginning of a fresh one, where the geometry matches up flawlessly. But for a newly scaled universe to have any physical structure, it can't start completely empty. Something has to survive the boundary to plant the seeds for new galaxies. Black holes cross the boundary intact. They outlive the universe itself, acting as immortal vaults of memory that carry the physical architecture of the old world into the new. To understand how a black hole eventually outlives the cosmos, we have to look at its own life cycle. It begins when immense clouds of early gas are pulled together by dense dark matter, collapsing inward and igniting the birth of a central seed. That seed rapidly consumes the surrounding gas to grow. But a black hole doesn't pull material in blindly forever. It actively regulates its own environment. We can see that active regulation here. This image captures an energetic jet erupting from an active galactic nucleus. The black hole is expelling massive amounts of heat and energy back into its host galaxy, halting runaway star formation by pushing raw gas away. Looking at the Perseus cluster core, we can see the dense environment where this expelled energy actually ends up. The black hole's feedback travels through the gas as cosmic entropy acoustic waves, distributing heat across vast distances. The surrounding gas cools, new stars form, the black hole feeds, and then erupts again. This continuous loop of eating, regulating, and cooling forms the local matter cycle. By continuously churning the material around it, this localized engine sustains the black hole in an active state, keeping it young while the larger universe ages in the background. Eventually, the galaxy's gas supply depletes. The black hole finishes growing and settles into a quiet, dormant relic state, starving in the dark. Trillions of years pass, and the surrounding universe finally hits its absolute entropy ceiling. The cosmic reset begins, and physical scale loses its meaning. The theoretical physicist Roger Penrose modeled this exact transition. The math shows a conformal boundary, a geometric bridge that allows specific physical properties to pass directly from the dying universe into the new one. 3 specific elements survive this boundary: the black hole's exact mass, the scaffolding of its surrounding dark matter, and its precise coordinate position in space. The black hole's spin axis crosses over as well. The physical orientation of the old universe is perfectly preserved in the rotation of the survivor. By maintaining its mass, position, and spin, the black hole operates as a time capsule, successfully carrying the structural architecture of a dead reality into a completely new eon. Now existing in a brand new universe, the relic black hole begins a slow, autonomous decay process. Stephen Hawking's calculations demonstrated that black holes lose mass over time by emitting radiation. But this process is so slow that a single black hole's lifespan will comfortably outlast the entire duration of a cosmic eon. This chart tracks that decay over countless trillions of years. The mass slowly bleeds away into the void until it crosses a specific critical threshold. At that exact point, the math breaks. The physical form of the black hole flashes out of existence, violently converting its remaining mass into pure wave energy. This final flash of pure energy doesn't disappear. It radiates outward through the new universe, providing the exact gravitational ripples needed to seed the formation of new dark matter halos. The death of the black hole is the required catalyst. It provides the precise spark to pull gas together, birthing the next generation of matter. We have the rapid, localized cycling of gas into stars. We have the massive cycle of an entire expanding universe. And we have the lifespan of a black hole, stretching across multiple universes, bridging the gap. Within the loop mega-universe, These three scales operate on the exact same mathematical recycling principle. They nest perfectly inside one another. Because the loops are continuous, cosmology requires no origin point. There is no first physical event and no last. Black holes are not the ultimate destroyers of the universe. They are the immortal architects of reality, ensuring the cosmos can always rebuild itself.